you the one who's spending countless hours on your blogs, articles, or content creation, but still you cannot bring back that engagement you thought of? Well, you're not alone. We all know that establishing an effective content strategy is quite challenging, time-consuming, and overpriced. But now the time and situations are entirely different. With the increasing demand for content, many tools and technologies have been brought up in the market. And to help you master the field of writing and grow your business enormously via writing, artificial technology tools are here. It sounds impressive, right? Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are here with another exciting video. In today's video, we'll discuss the formula to grow your business sales 10x using artificial intelligence copywriting. Without further ado, let's start rolling. But before that, let me briefly introduce you to artificial intelligence copywriting and its benefits. You may call AI a route that can help you in multiple ways, such as enhancing creativity and productivity. With this, we'll move forward and discuss what AI copywriting is. Artificial intelligence copywriting. To begin, you must decide what content you need and what you want to write about, and it could be anything, a blog post or a short advertisement. Artificial intelligence copywriting helps businesses to drive sales and tremendously fulfill their business goals. Now, let's dive into the decisive steps to grow your business sales multiple times with the help of AI copywriting. The magical formula to grow 10x sales using AI copywriting. Number 1. Know your audience. AI copywriting is an excellent tool for analyzing huge amounts of customer data, including buying habits, preferences, behaviors, demographics, and so on. Therefore, the data that you collect can be used to write a copy customized and targeted directly to the wants and needs of your audience. Number 2. Optimize your content for search engines. Identifying the keywords and phrases that the audience commonly uses to find products and services through analyzing search terms and keywords is what AI copywriting is capable of. Also, by using the relevant data, the content can be optimized for search engines, on-demand visibility, and improving rankings. Number 3. Create headlines that captivate. What compels an audience to read the blog or an article? Well, the answer is a headline. Indeed, it can form an immediate impact to attract the audience towards your write-up. Businesses can use artificial intelligence copywriting to create compelling headlines that resonate with their audiences. Number 4. Make use of persuasive language. Sales can be driven by persuasive language, encouraging the audience to act. Also, AI can assist businesses in identifying influential language patterns and creating imperative copy that converts. Number 5. Personalization. AI can assist businesses in creating personalized, audience-focused content. With this, businesses can quickly increase engagement, convert more prospects, and ultimately increase sales through personalization. Unsurprisingly, companies can increasingly use AI copywriting to increase sales and reach marketing goals. Now let's talk about the benefits of using AI copywriting. First, AI copywriting produces high-quality content within a fraction of time. Second, it ensures consistency in style, tone, and voice. Third, AI provides you with the grammatically correct content without spelling errors. Next, it does provide you with the multilingual support. Last but not the least, AI copywriting can help improve a company's SEO by producing keyword-rich content optimized for search engines. Artificial intelligence copywriting tools can improve the quality of your content, streamline the content creation process, and allow you to reach a wider audience by automating the writing process. For businesses looking to increase the graph of their sales and reach their target audiences more efficiently, then AI copywriting can be a game changer for you. So that's all for today, and we'll meet you with another informative video. We hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos. Thank you so much for watching this.